What is going on, everyone? My name is Steve Janisak. I'm the tech coordinator down at the KW in Maplewood, New Jersey. And this time I'm going to show you guys how to utilize the design section in Command to create a design for your exclusive listing. And then you can post that design you create for an exclusive listing into our intranet and into any other space that you might want to utilize to promote that listing while it remains an exclusive. So to get into your design section, you're going to go over here on the left hand side and click on designs like you normally would. And once you're in there, this is your main design space. So any prior templates that you've already created will be located here. And to create a new template, you're just going to hit the plus button. It's down on the right hand side beneath the KW Tech Talk little logo I created. Once you're here, you're going to hit, I'm going to use print just to get in there. You can hit next. You can use pretty much any one of those icons or those buttons other than the email button. It's going to pretty much bring you to the same design space no matter which one you use. So it's just going to take a minute to load here. And then you'll see the standard template area. You'll see on the left-hand side, you have all the different drop-downs for any sort of designs you want to use. For this instance, we're going to use Coming Soon, found under Listings. And you will see just how easy it is to create a design for a Coming Soon listing. And that's essentially what you could say it's coming soon, it's an exclusive. And you could change up any of the text in any one of these designs to suit your needs. Let's see, so I'm gonna choose, let's choose, why don't we try flyers, the flyers format. Up here you'll actually see the breakdown of each sort of design. They're already set into certain dimensions, so they'll suit your needs for whether it be trifold, bifold. You know, you could do postcards, standard postcards. Other designs actually use formats for social media and things like that. So again, for this, we're going to use the flyer format. So we'll use, let's say we want to use this one here. It's going to bring us to the actual design space once it's finished loading. And now we're here in the actual design space once it loads. And here you could actually change this text up top here and maybe call it exclusive listing up here on top. So I'm actually going to just delete all that. And we'll see up here you can call it exclusive listing. I'm going to make it a little smaller so it actually fits. Make it a little bigger than that. Let's see, let's try maybe 30 point. Nope, let's try 28. Nope, 26. There we go. We just want it to fit that space that was already there. And then here you'll just edit this space here for the actual address. Beneath that, you'll drop in the photo. So what's neat about the design space is if you go over here to KWLS on the left-hand side, you'll actually be able to search by all these different criteria and pull up all the actual data, photos, everything else into your design space so you can quickly and easily replace out the photos without having to go through a whole bunch of trouble to accomplish that task. So let's search by listing address, MLS number, KWLS, listing agent. Let's search by, let's do an MLS number, and let's just go up here and type in josmls.com, and I'm just gonna, njmls.com. Not an agent, so I actually don't have access to that, but let's see here, we'll search for, let's do Maplewood. Jersey, search. Just doing this so I can grab a listing off of the site here. I'll just take the first one I found here. Actually, I don't know if this is going to work if it's not in the KWLS. Let's see if I can do it from another, oh, MLS number, perfect. Let's search that. Doesn't look like the photo's not pulling up. We'll just use this one here for example's sake. So we'll select this. And when it loads, you're actually going to see all the photos populate right here in the design space. So now we can simply take this photo, select it, go over here, replace that image. And down here we can select this photo and maybe replace it with that image. And this photo, we could just replace it. Is there any other really good looking photos? Let's replace it with that one. And then down here, you can actually replace your agent photo like this. We'll select this photo again down here. And we will go ahead and replace that. And then basically I'm going to zoom in a little so we can see it a little clearer. And at this point, all you really need to do then is just select the different text spaces, fill out that area, fill out these bullet points. We can switch out the logo. I guess we'll switch it out with that one. Resize it real quick. Bring it up. Maybe make it just a little bigger. And then drop it like that. Now you have the KW logo. Switch out all the text. And you have just created your exclusive listing graphic that is all ready to go. And then from here, if you want to promote it on the intranet or anywhere else, you can actually first download the graphic. And by downloading it, that's actually going to put it on your computer so you can use it later on, whether it be in an email or wherever you want to circulate it to. And then that downloaded. And then I'm also going to go up here and hit done. And that is going to save it. And that should bring it back over here to my design templates. And you'll see right here, it's saved. And then from there, what I would do also is publish it to my Facebook page. And so long as that's how you want to promote the exclusive listing, I would utilize the campaign space here. If my command is going to unfreeze. I'm just going to open a fresh command up here since that one seems to be frozen. So now that the design is saved in your command, we're going to go to campaigns here. And then from campaigns, I'm going to hit create a new campaign and let's do a social post. And right away, I'm going to go to Browse Design Library right here. Oh, that's not going to work actually. Take that back. We're going to actually upload an image. And let's see here. This is the image we're going to upload. Let's open that. So it's saved Okay, so it's saved bigger than 3 megs. So if that occurs and you guys actually have, then we might have to go back into our command. We'll go back to designs. And this is gonna, we'll just go back into this design right here. This is good to show you guys if you have to go back in and edit it, you can do it this way. So what happened was it saved as too large of a file. So we're going to hit download. And we are actually going to, let's see. We're going to bring the quality down to maybe about 70. We'll do like 60 here. Estimated file size, 107 kilobytes. Okay, so it says that it didn't save any higher than that. Let's try downloading it one more time. Okay, so it finished downloading, so we're actually going to go back over here and try to re-upload the file. Must be less than 3 megs. So let's go back to here. Maybe we'll save it as a PNG file. Let's try this one. So apparently it's still too big for some reason. Let's just try turning the quality down to about 50%. We'll download one more time. And let's try uploading it one more time. Okay, that one worked. Fantastic. Now we're just going to do manual crop. Crop image. There you go. Now you have your exclusive listing. And then you can drop in some text up top here. And you can put in, any other text you want up top with emojis and whatnot. And you got the photo there. And then down here, we're actually going to publish immediately. And it's going to go to my KW Facebook page. And we're going to hit publish post. And we'll see what it looks like here when it's finished. There it is. And we're going to click on the Facebook page. And that's going to bring you right to that Facebook page, Facebook listing post. And there you have the exclusive listing design directly on your KW business Facebook page. So again, if you guys have any questions on how to create an exclusive listing design in Command, and then share that to your social media site, please feel free to reach out and I will be more than happy to walk you guys through individually how to accomplish this task. Thank you guys for watching.